Paella, a Spanish rice dish cooked with saffron, various meats, such as chicken, rabbit, or seafood, vegetables, and sometimes beans, traditionally cooked in a wide shallow pan. Paella is a delightful Spanish dish known for its rich flavors and vibrant colors. Here's a classic recipe for making paella. Ingredients: 2 cups Spanish bombo rice, or any short grain rice like arborio. 4 cups chicken broth, or seafood broth for more seafood flavor. 1 pinch saffron threads. 1 onion, finely chopped. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced. 1 tomato, grated. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 pound boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. ½ pound Spanish chorizo, sliced. 1 pound jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 pound mussels and/or clams, cleaned. 1 cup fresh or frozen peas, optional. Lemon wedges for serving. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions. In a small bowl, combine the saffron threads with a few tablespoons of warm water and let it sit to infuse. In a large paella pan or a wide shallow pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add the minced garlic, sliced bell peppers, and grated tomato to the pan. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables soften. Stir in the smoked paprika, sweet paprika, dried thyme, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to combine the spices with the vegetables. Push the vegetables to the sides of the pan and add the chicken pieces and chorizo slices to the center. Cook until the chicken is browned on all sides and the chorizo releases its oils. Pour in the bombo rice and stir to coat the rice with the flavors in the pan. Add the saffron-infused water, with saffron threads, to the chicken broth and pour it into the pan. Bring the broth to a simmer. Arrange the shrimp, mussels, clams, and peas, if using, over the rice. Distribute them evenly across the pan. Cook the paella over medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, without stirring. Rotate the pan occasionally to ensure even cooking. Add more broth if needed, but do not stir the rice. Once the rice has absorbed the liquid and is cooked through, and the seafood is opened, discard any unopened shells, remove the pan from the heat. Cover the paella with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for a few minutes. Garnish the paella with chopped parsley and serve with lemon wedges on the side. Enjoy the aromatic and flavorful Spanish paella as a main dish for a delightful meal with family and friends. Adjust the ingredients based on personal preferences and availability.